Hi, I'm Mary Ewell, and I'm here today at the Toyota of Keene, which is a Fenton family dealership. And I'm going to be talking with Mitchell Piper. Hi.
Hi, how do you do, Mary?
Good. About the new Prius that is a plug-in. And this car is going to be at Keene Ice on September 15th from 12 to 4, and so will Mitchell, right? And he'll take you on test drives and answer any questions you have about the car. But we thought that we would just take a moment to find out the bragging rights about this new Prius, because this is the second generation of this car, right?
This is the second generation of the Toyota hybrid plug-in variety of the Prius. The first edition came out in 2012 until 2015,
Okay.
and it was called the Prius plug-in at that time.
Okay.
Obviously, they've enhanced, learned a lot, and Toyota's a great company because they always learn and make things better and better. And really, when you ask about bragging rights, I got to tell you, I think unexpected for most people, one of the greatest things about this car, the drive feel and handling is phenomenal. I had a woman here just yesterday, as a matter of fact, who drove with us for the first time. Husband brought her. They'd driven a couple of the other plug-in varieties that are in the market today, and she came and she said, heads and tails, this was above anything else. And having driven a lot of them, I have to agree.
All right, and a really nice thing about this plug-in is that it is a hybrid, right? So it does take some gasoline, so it's not a pure plug-in. And so what's the range that people can expect on this car if they have a tank full and they're going out and driving?
Well, the stated range, and again, these are all estimates based on certain rating conditions, and our conditions here in the part of New England we live in may be different than what was used to generate these numbers, is 25 miles. In truth, we have a salesman who drives one of these every day, lives in Saxons River, 29 miles from here, and he got over 1,000 miles on his first gallon of gas because he was able to effectively drive from home to here every day during the warm months with no gas usage.
Yeah, so that's what's really interesting about the plug-in hybrid that is different from the regular Prius, is that it drives on the all-electric in the beginning, right?
Well, it does default to that, and you have the option. One of the wonderful things about the Prius is, as the driver, you can choose. It's a simple touch of one button, and you can flip from normal Prius mode to full electric mode at any time you choose.
Okay.
In the old version, which had a stated range of 11, I was able to drive from here to Brattleboro, 22 miles on full electric with no gas usage, well beyond its stated range. When I got there, it said I could still go 6 miles further. That was because I was going into full electric, pulling up the hills and letting it recharge energy as it was rolling.
Okay, so it sounds like there's a lot to learn
There is.
about this Prius and how to make it, you know, the most economical car possible. So I really think that everyone should come out on September 15th to Keene Ice and explore our Drive Electric Expo. Thank you so much, Mitchell.
You're welcome, Mary. Pleasure.